Dragons are familiar creatures. Exist in mythical legends. The first species in the four spirits. It's always a sense of power and mystery. It doesn't just exist in the imagination. Dragons really exist in nature. The Komodo dragon is not on fire. It doesn't fly in the air. But it's still a magical creature. No less than the dragons in legend. Dragon Komodo varanus komodoensis. It's a big lizard. It is found on the islands of Indonesia, including Komodo rinca floris and Gilimanuk. In the scientific literature, the Komodo dragon is sometimes called the Komodo monitor or the Komodo island iguana, although this name is not popular. To my friend from Komodo Island, it's called Oda alga or groundfish, or giant biowak, or giant iguanas. They're members of the genus Varanidae, and it's the largest lizard in existence. Komodo dragons have a maximum length of 3 m, in some rare cases, and weighing about 70 kilograms. Komodo dragon. It's the largest lizard in the world right now. It's thought to be closely related to dinosaurs. Became extinct millions of years ago. In the wild, adult Komodo dragons usually weigh about 70 kilograms, although captive animals are often heavier. According to the Guinness Book of World Records, an average adult male weighs 79 to 91 kilograms and 2.59 m long, while the female weighs 68 to 73 kilograms and is 2.29 m long. The largest wild individual ever found, 3.13 m long and weighs 166 kilograms. This includes undigested food. Komodo dragons have long tails with the body. Teeth are about 2.5 centimeters long. Its saliva is frequently bloody. Because of their teeth, it's almost entirely covered in female tissue. It often breaks when eating. This creates a habitat for the bacteria. They live in their mouths. The skin of the Komodo dragon is covered in hard scales. It contains small bones called osteoderm. It acts like a natural suit of armor. Like other Varanidae, Komodo dragons only have a single ear bone, is the pedal bone, transferring vibrations from the ear membrane to the cochlea. The Komodo dragon's senses and vision are not sensitive. But on the contrary, the sense of smell is very strong. It can also be felt with the tongue. They can only hear sounds, 4002,000 particles, even though they have big ears. The ability to see at night is very poor. Previously, researchers thought they were deaf. When they see that they're not responding to voices or screams. Due to their size, these lizards dominate ecosystem on the island that they're living in. Komodo dragons hunt and ambush prey, including invertebrates, birds and mammals. It was previously thought that the Komodo killed its prey with the bacteria in my mouth, but recent studies gave another answer. With resonant sex devices, scientists from the University of New South Wales, Australia has confirmed, in the body of the Komodo dragon, it's got poison glands, equivalent to venom, some other venomous snakes in the world. That's noted. Komodo is the third largest lizard in the world. It was found to contain poison. The other two species are box lizards and the monster Gila lizard. They live mostly in Mexico and the southern states of the United States. Hunting practices according to the group of Komodo dragons, very special in the world. Reptiles are aggressive predators. Komodo dragon possesses extremely strong jaws, serrated teeth like shark teeth. Special. The descendants of this dinosaur are extremely voracious. They attack their prey like goat deer, wild boar dogs and sometimes humans. Their mating season, starting from May to August. Laying eggs in September, up to 20 eggs per litter. They often lay in abandoned hens' nests or in a self-digging cave. The eggs were incubated for 78 months, bloom in April when insects grow the most. The Komodo dragon just came out of the egg. They went out to feed themselves. That's why they're easy prey for larger dragons. It takes 3 to 5 years to be an adult Komodo dragon, and 15 later can reproduce. Their lifespan 3055. Dragons are ready to eat. My own kind. When no prey is found. It can be easily understood at SAO. After the time was up, I was protected by my mother. The dragon Komodo must climb the tree live hidden to avoid being eaten, and the enemy could be their mother. Komodo dragons live concentrated on Komodo Island. It is one of the 17,508 islands of Indonesia. The island is part of the Komodo National Park. The name of the cow, it's called by the name of this island. Komodo dragon can be suitable in many different environments. They're capable of diving 5 meters below the surface to find fish. But you can also climb like a lizard in a tree. Komodo dragon. It was first recorded by Western scientists. In 1910, I believed. Rumors about a land crocodile transferred to Thai Lieutenant Van Stay, Van Hasburg of the Dutch colonial administration. Large size. They're often kept in zoos. In nature, their range of distribution is shrinking due to human activities, and they're listed as endangered. By IUCN they are protected under Indonesian law and national parks. Komodo was founded in 1980 to support and protect efforts. Komodo dragon was the driving force behind the Komodo Island expedition by W. Dallas Burden in 1926. After returning with 12 preserved specimens and 2 living specimens, this expedition was the inspiration for the film King Kong 1900 BABA. Burden. He also coined the name Komodo dragon. 3 of his specimens were stuffed, and currently it's still on display in the Natural History Museum, United States. Genetic analysis of mitochondrial DNA shows Komodo dragons are their closest relatives, or sister group of Varanus varius. Their ancestors diverged into many species, which includes the alligator Varanus salvadori. New Guinea region. A study of 2201 has shown that in the Miocene, or that the center is 1, geologic potential extends from about 23.03 up to 33,000.005 years ago. Komodo dragon crossed with the ancestors of the Australian sand lizard. This provides further evidence that Komodo dragons once lived in Australia. Komodo dragons are adaptable in the environment. Extremely harsh. Of these arid volcanic islands, Indonesia has about 3,500 Komodo dragons. There's only about 350 female dragons. Although the Komodo dragon is strictly protected. Dragon status: shrinking habitat, human encroachment, with the natural effects of volcanoes. Small number of female dragons, so this is a highly endangered species.